Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about variable separable method of the differential equation. Let us see first example. Solve in first bracket 1 plus x square dy minus in bracket 1 plus y square dx equal to 0. We have to solve this equation by variable separable method. Let us see what is the method. First we have to convert dx and dy to the both side of the equation. Then we have to convert all the terms of x to the dx and all the term of y to dy. Let us see how to solve this equation. Let us see 1 plus x square multiplied by dy minus 1 plus y square multiplied by dx equal to 0. It is the equation. First we have to convert these term of dx to the other side. 1 plus x square dy remain as it is equals to this 1 plus y square dx with a minus sign. If you take to the other side, it goes to the plus sign, plus in bracket 1 plus y square dx. Then we have to convert the terms of x, that is 1 plus x square, to the dx, and 1 plus y square are the term of y which have to convert to the dy. Therefore here dy remain as it is. 1 plus y square convert to the other side, that is dx multiplied by 1 plus y square goes to other side, which is goes to the denominator. Dy upon 1 plus y square equals to this dx as it is. Here 1 plus x square is the multiple term to the dy which goes to the other side, which is goes to the denominator. Then we have to take integration of the both side, that is integration of dy upon 1 plus y square equal to integration of dx upon 1 plus x square. Here we have the standard formula. Integration of 1 upon 1 plus y square is a tan inverse y equal to integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square with respect to x is a tan inverse of x. The constant of this integration and this integration we can combine here, that is plus c. Then we take these tan inverse to the other side, which goes to the minus tan inverse y minus tan inverse x equal to c as it is. Here we have the formula tan inverse of a minus tan inverse of b equals to tan inverse a minus b divided by 1 plus a into b, that is equals to c, remain as it is. If you turn these tan inverse to the other side, which become tan c as it is, and all the terms in bracket remain as it is. Therefore here we convert the equation in the form of y minus x equals to this 1 plus yx goes to the other side, which goes to the multiply to the tan c, and here minus x turns to the other side, will get plus x, plus this term remain as it is. Therefore y equals to x plus into bracket 1 plus yx into tan c. That is the answer of that equation. Again, let us see one more example of that. Solve 1 plus dy upon dx equals to 1 plus x plus y plus xy. We have to solve this equation by variable separable method. Consider first two terms 1 plus x, put in that bracket, plus second two term. From that two term we can take y as common. Therefore here if you take y common, remaining term is 1, plus here we take y common, the remaining term is x. Therefore again let us see this first bracket 1 plus x plus second term is y into bracket 1 plus x. From that two term we can again take 1 plus x as a common. Therefore the remaining term here 1 plus x we take common, remaining term 1 is 1, plus this bracket we can take common, therefore remaining term is y. Therefore dy upon dx becomes in first bracket 1 plus x, in second bracket 1 plus y. Then we have to convert dx and dy to the opposite side of the equation. Therefore this dx to take to the other side, which goes to the numerator. Then we have to convert all the terms of y to the dy and all the term of x to the dx. Here 1 plus y is the term of y which goes to the other side in the denominator, and remaining term 1 plus x is the term of x with respect to x as it is. Then we can, taking integration on both sides, we get integration of dy upon 1 plus y equals to integration of 1 plus x with respect to x. Here we can separate integration to the both term, that is integration of 1 with respect to x plus integration of x with respect to x. Then integration of 1 upon a function, that is log of function, that is 1 plus y equals to integration of 1 is x plus here we apply the formula of integration of x raised to n. Here n is 1, therefore x raised to n plus 1, that is 1 plus 1, that is 2, divided by n plus 1, that is 1 plus 1, 2, plus the constant of all these integration we write here, plus c. Therefore the final answer is log of 1 plus y equals to x plus x square by 2 plus c. I hope that you like this video. If you like it, then press the like button and subscribe the channel.